Getting some smoke. I don't really have much of a coal yet. It's starting to build. I'm definitely getting more smoke. I can smell it really strong now. Try to get a little more coal here before I start pushing down and getting a little more heat build up. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and give it a shot here. Looks like I got a pretty good coal going here. We'll see see how it does. There's my coal. Hopefully I'll be able to keep it going here. And looks like there we go. So since I've got that now, let's see if I can keep it going. I'm gonna have some spicy chicken quesadilla. What I gotta do here is if I can do this without putting it out, this is my little canteen cup stove. Once I got it going here, put my canteen cup right on top. I don't have to add any water or anything, so that's nice. And I can just pour this inside. It's very cheesy. And I can keep feeding this canteen cup stove with little sticks and twigs. Ought to keep it going for a while. I didn't bring a lid for it, so that'll affect cooking time. But I don't have to boil it, I just got to heat it. But I did it! Did it with the Bowdrill. This little hubcap cover, I think that's what it is, a lug nut cover off a truck or something. And my spindle that's here somewhere. Well, here's my little canteen cup stove that I made. I've got some chicken quesadilla soup, and I've never had that before, so I got to keep this thing fed while it's heating up. It's getting pretty close. I started it with the Bowdrill. I used a spindle here in my bow that I made with materials I found right near the creek bed here. But it looks like my my soup is just about ready. In fact, it's already starting to boil, so maybe it's time. I've got my canteen cup. I used the canteen cup stove over there to heat it up with, so now I've got some chicken quesadilla soup and a little Lexan spoon. So we'll give it a shot here and see what it tastes like. Actually, it's a little gloomy. There's supposed to be a storm coming in today, and even though it's still a little warm, that you can tell the weather's about to change. It's kind of spicy. It's almost like that hot cheese they put on nachos at the stadium. It's not bad though.